Well, as you can see, I'm in the middle of filming a recipe for you guys, which is going to be coming out soon. But since you're here, I might as well tell you that I am also going to be doing an Ask Me Anything video, because you guys ask for it all the time, and I think seeing as it's Christmas and I'm feeling generous, I'm going to do another one. But this one is going to be the best one yet, because it's not just going to be me that you can ask questions of. I'm going to have some of the Crumbs and Doilies team with me. We're going to come over to mine, we're going to have a cup of hot chocolate, maybe we'll be wearing pyjamas, I don't know. But it's going to be really, really fun, and you're going to be able to ask Sally, Dane and Nikki and myself your baking related questions, or anything at all really. You can ask us anything. It doesn't have to be baking related, but since you've got 4 experts in the room, you might as well get your baking questions out of the way. So please, please, please ask your questions in the comments box below. The ones, as usual, the ones with the most likes, and then maybe a couple of random ones that I really like will get answered if possible. And I will also be putting a post on Instagram if you prefer to ask your question there. So please do that. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to get your questions. Oh, and also, I'm also doing a meet and greet on the 13th of December. That's also very important. So if you're in Soho on the 13th of December, I'll be at the shop, which is 1 Kingley Court, between 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock, and I'm going to be there, and I'm going to be going back in time to 5. So between 5 and 8, I'll be there signing your book, signing your t-shirts, signing your tea towels, your aprons, your oven gloves, and all best bit, there'll be 15% off all merch in store only. This is not an online thing, so you have to be there in real life. So come on down, I can't wait to see you, but also get your questions in. Bye.